We have 3 of our best engineers coming off of projects today and will be available next week. These engineers have tons of positive customer reviews, so you can be sure that when you get these engineers on the floor, they can do what you need. Rexroth, Emerson, Keyence, Cognex, Fanuc, Siemens, Rockwell, Omron. If you need help programming from scratch or with integration work or even with production support, maintenance, or improving uptime and decreasing cycle time, these gentlemen can help. If you need to, watch this video again, decide if you would like to engage Mohammed, Jeremy, or Lewis, then click the links in the description or email info@automateamerica.com to request these professionals immediately. Don't hesitate. These are 3 of our best guys and they will go fast. And if by chance these gentlemen do not have the skills that you need for your automation project, come check out automateamerica.com. We have tons of engineers available immediately for whatever you need. We have been an automation engineering company since 1999. At Automate America, we understand what you need and we're here to help. Either post your contract, search and request professionals, or just email us at info@automateamerica.com and tell us what you need done. We are your one-stop shop for everything you need regarding your automation and manufacturing process. Systems, service, design, integration, or maintenance, we're here to help.